My journey with grief started when I was 8 years old.
Okay.
Yeah, I lost my brother. He was just 4 years old. I then was met with grief again at 30 years old. My dad died, but I wasn't really listening to myself, and that's the block. That's the kind of energetic block,
Yeah.
as well as anything. So that all crumbled when my dad died internally. My mother died last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so it came with two things. So one is I was more equipped, and I had built up this new perspective on death and grief, and I had more of a community around me who thought like me, and I was able to lean on those tools. But on the other hand, my mum was the last member of my immediate family, and what I feel is